For more than a year, students and educators have faced unprecedented challenges because of the pandemic.
Michelle Rave joins us now in the studio with more on how federal money will help students in Rockford make up for lost time. Michelle?
Many students had to adjust to the constant changes in their education due to the pandemic, which in turn had an impact on their learning. A new federal fund was created to give students the resources they need to get all caught up.
Teachers worked tirelessly to adapt to remote learning. Parents gave their all to guiding their children through challenges they never saw coming. And of course, our kids watched their day-to-day routines get usurped by a pandemic.
Wednesday, Governor J.B. Pritzker made a stop at Ellis Elementary School. There, he announced Rockford Public Schools will receive $220 million in federal funding to improve education.
The state's P20 Council has developed expert guidance for navigating this long period of disruption with the Illinois Learning Renewal Resource Guide. That includes things like tutoring and counseling and investing in mental health.
RPS 205 Superintendent Dr. Jarrett was also there and says students have certainly felt the impacts of the pandemic.
At the end of the day, students have a much harder time being deeply connected to their learning, to their other students, and to the faculty and staff. I think that's one of the challenges, whether it was shorter in-person days or whether it was being remote.
Dr. Jarrett says the funds will be put to good use to help students who need the extra support when they return back to the classroom.
By allowing this investment, it allows us to have extra staff. It allows us to make extra investments in our summer programming, potentially lengthening school days in terms of before and after school programming during the year, extra tutoring, extra social emotional support. We're so excited to have this infusion of federal and state investment to support us during these challenging times.
In addition to RPS schools, Harlem School District will receive $22 million and Belvedere School District will get $14 million. Eric?